Previously on.
Okay. Shredded chicken, tacos. Where do we start? Chicken. Got a Chicano. Got a rotel tomatoes. Got the onions. I already have that because, I like to cook. What we got in here? So we need some taco seasoning. So I actually don't have any taco seasoning, so we gotta make our own. The paprika, the cilantro, the garlic, the chili powder, little cayenne pepper, perfect. What's this, Italian seasoning? No. Oregano? No. Lemon pepper? No. Basil? No. Basil. The chili, did we get chili powder? I forgot. Yeah, we got some chili powder. Okay. Chili powder. What is it? Cumin. Aha! The cumin.
Okay. So now that we have most of our ingredients organized, it's time to get chopping. I'm going to use my Green Chef's knife. And make sure to leave that over there. Watch out for the cross-contamination. So the first thing we're going to be chopping is our veggies. We want to cut our veggies before our meat, just because the chicken has salmonella, and I hate to get salmonella on the things I'm not going to use. Like, I'm only going to use about half that bell pepper, and I hate to, get chicken guts on it. So we're going to cut our onions long ways. So usually when you cut, you want to go toe to heel, or some people go heel to toe. It really depends on, how you like to cut, but I like to cut from toe to heel. So toe to heel, toe to heel, toe to heel, toe to heel, toe to heel. Right here, toe to heel. Bam, check it out. Bing. So now we're gonna come over here to our bell pepper. Alright, that's fine. Brushes off a little bit. So like this. I'm gonna cut the insides, get the actual bell pepper seeds and shiznit. Just like this. Like this. And then we're gonna pop this out just like that, Toss this right there. I don't know what else to put, it's just the bell pepper top. So then we're gonna cut this in half like so. We're going to scoop the guts out. Bam, all seeds and things. Put that right there. I hate to get that everywhere. Then we're going to cut the bell pepper from the inside like so. I'm going to cut it the same way we cut the onions, the long way. So bam, big chop. Ooh, come on. There we go. The reason we don't cut this way is because the top of the bell pepper is actually like harder to cut through. Like, it's kind of waxy. it's kind of waxy as opposed to the inside being nice and easy. See? Bam, just like that. Come on, watch out. And just like that. Watch your fingers. Like that. And just like that. Drop the bell pepper, but it's gonna be okay. Come on, so like this. Nice. So now that we got all of our bell pepper and things cut, we're gonna bag this up. Matter of fact, just in the same bag the onion came out of. Zip it up. Now we're done with our veggies. So just like this. Keep going. About right there, just so we can open it and butterfly it like so. All right. So the reason I'm actually butterflying the chicken is so when we season it, we can season the inside and the outside, so we get that nice taco flavor throughout the entire chicken. So come in through like this. Boop. Perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. The chicken, we're gonna shred this chicken at the end of it anyway. So see, bam. All right. So I was very careful not to touch the chicken with my right hand, just so we can start seasoning with my right hand. Okay, so I thought I had measuring spoons, but I actually don't. I actually just moved the Baton Rouge, so I guess I must have got lost in the move. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my best to try to like evenly disperse all the seasonings. So taco seasoning is actually like a combination of everything we have normally, with the addition of cumin. So I'm gonna start off with a garlic powder, like so. Flip it, oops, like so. Bottom, inside, backside. Okay, nice little sprinkling. Oops. Now we're gonna add a little chili powder. All right. Oh, that's a lot of chili powder. So a little bit on that side. Chance. So there we go. Nice color, nice color. Top of the other breast. Inside of the breast. Bam. Chili powder. Little cayenne pepper. This is my shit. So I actually love spicy stuff and spicy foods. So I'm gonna add a nice generous helping of this cayenne, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm actually from Louisiana. So you know, I like my food hot. Man, just like crawfish, bro. If I'm eating crawfish, if my eyes aren't watering, it's not hot enough for me. So, you know, I'm gonna add a little chili. Cayenne. Ni hao. Okay. So, a little black pepper. Oop. Inside. Flip. Black pepper. So we're gonna add a little cilantro. Oh shit. Wrong side. Right side. Cilantro flakes, come on. So I have like a love-hate relationship with cilantro, I can't lie. Like when I'm eating tacos, I like a little cilantro. I don't like a lot of cilantro, I like a little cilantro. Cause cilantro could be extremely overpowering if you add too much of it. So a nice little sprinkle. Come on, there we go, just like that. Bam, flip it over. Bam, cilantro leaves. A little dust in the paprika. Alright. Oh, a lot of paprika. With paprika. This side. Flip it. More paprika. No. Last but not least, well not last, we start with salt, but cumin. This is the most important thing when you're making tacos, right? Because cumin, that's what gives tacos like its taco flavor. Like, yeah, heck yeah. So a nice, generous helping of cumin. With cumin. So let's go like that. A little more cumin. You know what I'm saying? Never hurt nobody. Get all like that. Now, a little salt. Alright, so my GoPro actually died while I was cooking. But I got my chicken finished seasoned, and I also have my veggies right here. So I'm gonna just spraying them over like sizzle. Just gonna break this chunk of onion out. So you know, cooking is all about using your hands. So if you can't be scared, if you can't be afraid to get in there, you know what I'm saying? Come right here, put this up like so. Come on. Look up. Got that over. Come on, spread it out. So now we're gonna add just a splash of water, just a little. You know what I'm saying? Watch. Boom, that's enough right here. There we go. Now we're about to add foil and put it in the oven. I almost forgot. We have to add our Rotel tomatoes. So this is actually the Rotel Originals, but you know, I do like spicy food, so I usually get the spicy myself, but you know, this is alright also. You know what I'm saying? Add a little tomato to it. Do a little more. So this is about 4 tablespoons. We're also gonna add juice from the Rotel tomatoes. Yeah, beautiful. So now we're gonna add the foil and then pop it in the oven. Chicken is foiled up. We're gonna pop this into the oven. for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna come back and check it. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. Actually, a little over 30 minutes. It's been about 35. It smells so good in here. I can't even begin to explain. So come in like so. Go. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Hey. There we go. And ooh. Hot, 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 hot. It's okay though. I'm professional. Slide it over. Bam, looks freaking beautiful, yo. So now I want to come over here. Let's get it forward. Let's just see how tender the chicken is. Can we pull it apart? Okay. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Bam. Bam. Just like that. Just like that. It is nice and soft. Just how we like it. How the veggies. Extremely soft also. So now we're gonna take 2 forks and we're gonna shred all this chicken. Alright. So now that we have our chicken shredded, we put the fork back on top. Like so. Doesn't have to be on all the way. We just want it on so that it's on. Right? And now, oops, a little tighter than that. Okay. So now I have my oven turned off. I'm just gonna go ahead, set my shredded chicken back in the oven. We're gonna let that get to know each other, you know what I'm saying? Time to get into these tortillas! Tortilla, tortilla, tortilla! Okay, so we're back. So I actually had to get my griddle out because it's the only thing big enough to hold our tortillas. You dig? So gotta pop these things open. I have my griddle set to 400. Get it as high as you can possibly get it, you know what I'm saying? Take out 2 of these things. That's all I'm gonna eat. And oh shit. 1 tortilla, 2 tortilla. So now we're gonna toast these tortillas. How you gonna know when it's done? Because the tortilla's gonna start like inflating almost. Give it a sec, give it a sec. Let's go back into our oven. Take out our chicken. They got a little chance to, you know, absorb all those fire juices. Damn, look at that, look at that. It's like art, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Alright, come right here. We still have our bell peppers and onions from earlier. Still have some few leftover onions. We're gonna use that for garnish. Woo! Hot tortilla, hot tortilla, hot tortilla, hot tortilla. We're gonna come like this. Flip this down like this. Black out, black out. Right. Gonna go in here looking for our cheese. Our cheese. So even though this is quote unquote taco blend, like this is the only type of cheese I actually like. So you know what I'm saying? Well, I wouldn't say I actually like, this is the only cheese I use on the regularly. Like, I know there's like a Kobe Jack mix or something like that. I'd rather just use the taco blend. Okay. So we're gonna use the same fork we use to shred the chicken. Let's pick it up like so. Oh, that chicken. Oh, chicken. Like, this making Anna hungry. Look, she over there eating. Like, nice. I like my veggies, so let me make sure I get these bell peppers. So I'm tender, so nice. But what? Flip it over. Oh, got our other tortilla. like so. Into it from this side too. Right. Right. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh shit. Very hot. Foil over top, foil over top. So just right here. Stand it up, but it fell right back down. Let's get somewhere with a little more space. Come right here. Top of the onion, top of the oven, excuse me. Let's get in here. Snatch about 3 onions. Tree. Oh shit. Oh, that was almost bad. A few cilantro leaves. So, you know, like a little sprinkle. Close this like so. Toss that right there. Flip it. Use the right hand. Little cheese. Little cheese. Bam.